In this video, we'll talk about replace versus merge modes for templates. We'll look at rule priority ranges and why they matter, when policies are pushed out, what actually happens when you push a template in replace mode, why merge isn't recommended, how to delete configuration from appliances. As you probably know, rules in EdgeConnect are applied in ascending priority order, first match wins. This is true in security policies, ACLs, root policies, everywhere you can create a rule and give it a priority number. There are three types of rules: manual, templated, and orchestrated. Each have these priority ranges available. Both templated and orchestrated policies can have replace or merge mode set individually. You can imagine two effective groups of replace or merge rule sets for all policy types looking something like this. All templates are pushed out when either of these three events occur: when a template is added, edited, or removed, when the orchestrator is rebooted, when the appliance is rebooted or its connection to the orchestrator re-establishes. Note that all templates in all template groups are pushed out because the order of template groups matters. When a template is pushed in replace mode, any rules that may have already existed within the templated priority range are overwritten. Replace mode is effectively the definitive configuration for that templated feature within the templated priority range. Any manual rules created on the appliance will remain present. For this reason, it is not recommended to create local rules of any kind on your appliances, as they are easily forgotten. Merge mode will overwrite rules with the same priority values and paste any missing rules. But if you remove a rule from the template, it will not be deleted on the appliance in merge mode. For the last point alone, we recommend using replace mode to ensure uniformity and consistency across your fabric. The only way to delete rules is using replace mode. Lastly, to delete configuration from an appliance that was pushed out from a template, you must use replace mode with a blank template. It is not sufficient to remove the template from the template group. All that will do is nothing. Leave things as they are. If you have a rule set you want to remove, keep the template in the template group, remove all the rules you want deleted, and use replace mode. When you save, the orchestrator will push the templates and replace the configuration that was on the appliances with these deletions. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.